What is up, ElectroDrive Nation? Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the absolute bleeding edge of electric innovation. Today, we're starting with a heart-stopping moment from the skies. Two Xpeng Aeroht eVTOLs, the futuristic flying cars we've all been dreaming about, were involved in a mid-air collision during a dramatic airshow. But the Xpeng news doesn't stop there. We're shifting gears from the air to the asphalt as we dive deep into Xpeng's latest electric SUVs, the G6 and G9. These machines are engineered to shatter expectations, boasting mind-blowing charging speeds that will redefine your road trips and battery technology that promises longevity like never before. This is huge. We're talking about advancements that could change the game for electric vehicles. Imagine charging up in minutes, not hours, and having a battery that lasts significantly longer. Xpeng is pushing the boundaries, and we've got all the details on how they're achieving this incredible feat and what it means for the future of driving. And that's just a taste of what's in store. We've got more groundbreaking developments and electrifying insights coming your way. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on so you don't miss any of our exclusive coverage. Let's get into it. Flying cars in a mid-air crash. That's the shocking reality from the Changchun Airshow, where two Xpeng Aeroht eVTOLs collided during a formation drill. This incident, which occurred during a pre-show rehearsal, involved two aircraft that experienced an insufficient separation distance, leading to a collision. While one eVTOL landed normally, the other sustained damage and caught fire upon landing. Thankfully, Xpeng Aeroht reported that personnel on the scene were safe, and no life-threatening injuries were sustained, though at least one passenger was hospitalized. Xpeng Aeroht, the flying car division of Xpeng, is known for its ambitious plans, including the development of modular flying cars with a target delivery by 2026. This collision, however, brings the inherent safety challenges of eVTOL technology into sharp focus. Industry insiders point to the complexity of low-altitude operations and the potential for both autonomous system flaws and human error. The company stated that the specific cause of the collision is still under investigation. This event has understandably sent ripples through the aviation and EV communities, with many questioning the readiness of eVTOLs for widespread public use. Analysts are watching closely to see how Xpeng Aeroht and the wider industry will address these critical safety concerns and regain public trust. But don't let this aerial incident ground you just yet. We're about to soar into the future of electric SUVs. Next up, Xpeng is electrifying the roads with their G6 and G9, setting new benchmarks in charging and battery life. Xpeng G6 and G9. A new era of electric SUVs has arrived, redefining charging speed and battery longevity. Xpeng is making waves with its latest electric SUVs, the G6 and G9, engineered to push the boundaries of performance and durability. At the heart of these vehicles lies an 800-volt system enabling ultra-fast charging, with the G6 reaching up to 451 kW and the G9 supporting an astonishing 525 kW. This technology allows both models to charge from 10% to 80% in a mere 12 minutes, translating to an impressive range of up to 535 km for the G6 and 585 km for the G9 from a single fast charge. The real innovation here is Xpeng's solution to the age-old conflict between rapid charging and battery degradation. By implementing advanced thermal management strategies and sophisticated charging algorithms, they claim to achieve a C-rate of up to 5 without accelerating battery wear. This means the high-voltage batteries in the G6 and G9 are projected to last 30% longer than conventional high-performance batteries, ensuring sustained performance over time. For context, this charging speed is significantly faster than competitors like the BMW iX3 and Porsche Taycan. Beyond the groundbreaking powertrain technology, Xpeng has focused on premium comfort and practicality. The G6 offers luxurious features like massage seats, while the G9 boasts air suspension and electromagnetic dampers. Both come with panoramic roofs, and the G6 is equipped to tow up to 1,500 kg. With warranties of 8 years or 160,000 km on the battery, Xpeng is backing its claims of durability. This release positions the XPeng G6 and G9 as serious contenders against established premium brands, showcasing Chinese EV manufacturers' rapid advancement in technology, range, and comfort. And if you thought that was impressive, get ready for a story that takes us back to the skies with a twist. Prepare for the incredible journey of China's independently developed ton-level eVTOL aircraft as it completes its first material transport mission. China's ton-level eVTOL achieves a major milestone: successful first material transport flight. In a significant leap for China's indigenous aviation technology, the country's independently developed ton-level electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft has successfully completed its inaugural material transport mission. This achievement marks a critical step forward in the practical application and commercialization of eVTOL technology within China. The successful transport flight demonstrates the aircraft's capability to handle real-world logistics tasks, moving beyond experimental stages. This development is particularly noteworthy given the growing global interest in eVTOLs for urban air mobility, cargo delivery, and emergency services. The aircraft's ton-level capacity suggests it is designed for significant payloads, potentially opening up new avenues for efficient and sustainable transportation. This success story from China's aviation sector is generating considerable excitement, highlighting the nation's rapid progress in advanced aerospace engineering and its ambition to become a leader in the future of electric aviation. The implications for future cargo and passenger transport are immense. From pioneering cargo flights to groundbreaking speed, our next story is truly out of this world. Get ready, because we're diving into the world of Mach-4 commercial transport planes, a speed that will blow your mind. A Chinese company is developing a commercial transport plane capable of Mach-4 speeds, potentially revolutionizing air travel. Pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering, a Chinese company is reportedly working on a commercial transport aircraft designed to reach speeds of Mach-4, which is twice the speed of sound. This ambitious project, if realized, could drastically cut travel times and usher in a new era of hypersonic air transport. Mach-4 flight means the aircraft would travel at approximately 3,070 miles per hour, 4,940 kilometers per hour, at high altitudes. For perspective, current commercial airliners typically cruise at speeds around Mach 0.8 to 0.9. Achieving Mach-4 in a commercial setting presents immense technological challenges, including materials science, engine propulsion, thermal management, and passenger comfort at such extreme velocities. While details remain scarce, the mere pursuit of such a project signifies China's growing capabilities and aspirations in advanced aviation technology. This development could pave the way for significantly faster long-haul travel, connecting continents in a fraction of the current time and reshaping global connectivity. This cutting-edge development is capturing the attention of the aerospace industry worldwide, signaling a potential future where hypersonic commercial flights become a reality. That's all the electrifying news for today, but we're not done yet. Stick around for a rapid-fire recap and make sure you're subscribed. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying updates. We saw Xpeng Aeroht eVTOLs collide at an airshow, XPeng G6 and G9 SUVs redefine fast charging and battery life. China's ton-level eVTOL completed its first material transport, and a Chinese company is developing a Mach-4 commercial jet. Don't miss out on any future breakthroughs. Hit that like button, subscribe to ElectroDrive News, ring the notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all social platforms for more exclusive content. See you next time.